Hey guys, it's Dee from Sanremo. Today we have a 3-group F18 on the bench and I'm going to be showing you how to program your volumetrics for your T-tap. First thing, you'll need a cup or a teapot. Hold down button number 5 on group head 1. Wait until it starts to flash and you'll see dose setting within 30 seconds. Once that happens, press the T button. Once you hit your desired volume in your cup, turn it off. Wait 30 seconds and it will set the programming. You can double check this once it stops flashing to make sure you've got the right amount and then go from there, okay? There is a second way to do it. Come in close and we'll look at the display screen and I'll show you how it's done. So the second method to program your volumetrics for your T-tap, hold down your menu button, go over to the next screen, into your volumetric setting, scroll all the way through until you get to T programming. Increase or decrease the time. It's super important that once you get to this part, you save it, or if you don't and you change and go back, come back, it won't hold. So it's very important when you make an adjustment, you do press the tick and go back, all the way back to your main screen, and that's it. To adjust your T-tap temperature, you'll find this dial directly underneath your machine. To make it hotter, you'll need to turn it left. To make it colder, introducing cold water, turn it right. And that's how you adjust your T-tap temperature. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, pop them below. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.